If your timesheet has a working times in this fashion here, where you start at 8 till 1700 hours or 5 p.m., this is how you calculate the hours worked. You say equal MOD to indicate modulus, open parenthesis twice, then you say right, open parenthesis, this cell, comma 5, close parenthesis. So this right function here actually returns 17:00. You take that minus left, open parenthesis, the same cell, comma 5, close parenthesis. So this left will return 08:00. Then after that you close parenthesis, then you say comma 1 and close parenthesis. So essentially you're taking the output of this, doing a division of 1. Once that's done, multiply that by 24 and you get 9 hours. So from 8 till 5 p.m. you have worked 9 hours. You take that and you slap it all across all the other row and they'll calculate the same formula. As you can see, this also works when your check-in hour does not have a leading zero. Like for example, if I were to remove this leading zero, there's no effect to the hours worked formula.